Today we are going to start exercise 4.1 question number 2. Now listen the question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. You have to represent the situation according to question. Now first question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Now listen. It is question that length is 1 meter more than twice the breadth. So we have to assume the breadth at first. So let breadth of the rectangular plot equal to x meter. And as per question, length of the rectangular plot equal to 2x plus 1 meter. Now we know length into breadth equal to area. So length is 2x plus 1 into x. X is breadth equal to 528 meters square. It is given in the question. Now you break the bracket. 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. Because all the numbers will come to left hand side. Okay, this is the quadratic form of equation. So only this is the representation of the equation. Okay, understood? Now proceed question number 2. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Positive integer, that is more than 0. Positive integer and consecutive. Consecutive means continuous. Then let two consecutive positive integers are x and x plus 1. Now as per question, product of the two integers, so x into x plus 1 equal to 306. Now break the bracket. X square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic form of equation. So this is the representation of the quadratic form of equation. Now okay. Now question number 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Now listen. Rohan and his mother, two are present and both ages should be written in form of x because quadratic equation always contain one variable. Then let Rohan's present age equal to x years. And as per question, his mother is 26 years older than him, so Rohan's mother's age is x plus 26 years. Achha, now after 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3 years and his mother's age will be x plus 29. That is x plus 26 plus 3, x plus 29 years. Now as per question, product of their ages. So x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. Now we have to break the bracket. Look here. X into x, x square. X into 29, 29x. 3 into x, 3x. And 3 into 29, 87. And minus 360 bring this side equal to 0. Now x square plus 32x. If we add 29 and 3. And now 360 is greater number and before 360 there is minus sign. So you put here minus sign and minus plus minus. So 360 minus 87, what we get? 273 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic form of equation. Understood? Only you have to represent the equation. Means equation setup, you have to set up the equation. Not solve, not more. Only you have to represent the situation. Now final question of this exercise. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. In this question, the speed of the train varies. Initial stage, the speed of the train is s km per hour, and in final stage, the speed of the train becomes x minus 8 km per hour. Okay, and distance is constant in both cases, initial case and final case. Distance is 480 km. Now you take out the time taken to travel this distance. So listen, let uniform speed of train equal to x km per hour and distance covered equal to 480 km. So time taken equal to distance by speed. This is a formula. So 480 by x hour, equation number 1. And if the speed of train had been 8 km per hour less, then the speed of train becomes x minus 8 km per hour and distance equal to 480 because it is constant 480 km. Now time taken equal to distance by speed, that is 480 by x minus 8 hour, equation number 2. Now it is also given in the question the difference of the two time is 3 hours. So equation 2 minus equation 1 equal to 3. So now listen why equation 2 minus equation 1, because in equation 2 speed is less, so time will be greater. So greater time minus smaller time. So equation 2 minus equation 1 equal to 3. In equation 2, 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equal to 3. Now 480 you take common. So in bracket 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x equal to 3. Now look, 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x equal to 3 by 480. 480 will come here. Now take LCM, x minus 8 and x. So if we divide, then x minus 8 cancel, x remain. So x into 1 x. Now if we divide x minus 8 into x by x, then x cancel and x minus will remain. So x minus you keep x minus 8 within the bracket because here is minus sign, equal to 1 by 160. Now break the bracket. X minus x minus minus plus 8 equal to x square minus 8x equal to 1 by 160. Now x cancel, what remains? 8. 8 by x square minus 8x equal to 1 by 160. Now cross multiplication, x square minus 8x into 1, x square minus 8x, and 8 into 160 equal to 8 into 160, that is 1280. So x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. So I have completed exercise 4.1 and tomorrow I will come again with exercise 4.2. Okay.